ground floor. This is the view from the landing from the elevator. So your rooms either side. You can overlook crazy golf, the football pitch, the tennis courts, the main pool. The breezers pool is just around the corner, so you can't see it on this shot. The entertainment section is just down there. Kids club there. That's where they do the trampolines and the snack bar. And of course the beautiful view in the distance. And then as you go towards your doors to your rooms, see on the other side overlooks the adult pool, new for 2018. Replaced the kids park that used to be there. This is for adults only. Quite relaxed floor, into your sunbeds, as you can see. It's never busy, hence why people like to come and use it. It's right next to the smelly lake. And then you've got coastline is actually just behind those hotels at the back of that lake. Again, another outstanding view up at the sky. It's gorgeous here in Majorca. And the main entrance to the hotel is just down there. The shuttle bus that takes you to the beach. You can go and row in the lake and the boating lakes. This is the shuttle bus that takes you back. There's only a 10-minute walk here from the beach. Up there. If you come out the other side, so you can right to the lift. Those that are in this side, there's the front doors. And this is the view you get from there, main doors to the rooms. This is the breezers pool. A lot bigger than the main pools. Splash pool, which is further off to the left, it's a lot bigger than the one on the main pool. It's easy for the kids. Then you've got the middle pool, which is a bit deeper. Then you go even deeper again at the final pool. You can see the snack bar, plenty of sunbeds again. It's a good thing about 2018 compared to 2017. It was a fight for the sunbeds. You no longer have that rush in the morning. You've got the view of the hotels. It's a lot quieter, that pool. It's better for the kids, I think. And the road that leads around the back. I hope you enjoyed my tour. Area. Come in, you can play some tennis. There's a few tennis courts, but there's 3 tennis courts in total. Crazy golf. just me and the K-Dog about to go and play. And you got the football pitch on the side, where you can do some table tennis as well. Ale, ale, ale. Ale, 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 vamos. Oh, way,